Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have here is we're kind of parting out a 93 police bike. We took it in on trade. I do have a title bike. The guy took it apart to fix, and we wound up coming up with the parts here. So what we've got going on here is we've got a really nice exhaust. It got some overspray on it from paint and stuff, but outside of that, it ain't too bad. For whatever reason, the guy painted a motor black and everything with the pipes on it, so we're going to try to clean it up a little bit. But this is just overspray black paint, which should come off pretty easy. Now, if you look at it, I don't really see any road rash. I do have the mounting stuff right there for it. Plus, it's got the holders right here. And as you can see, this stuff needs to come apart and be cleaned up better for the right bike. So if you're looking, I don't know what models this fits, but they come from a 93. So we're going to separate it here. And as you can see, this is nice stuff. Real nice stuff. No road rash. There, minor scratches from over the day, but this is nice, very nice. And over here, same basic thing. There's some scratches probably from being in the garage or whatever, but there's no road rash. Very nice piece. So we'll be selling this on our webpage if there's any interest, and I just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like. And we're going to clean it up a little bit more than it is now, but very, very nice piece. Great for the unrestored bike, or great for the bike that's restored. Actually, there's a lot you can do with this. All right, well, thanks a lot.